Yes.
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Kings Beach, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay was Oxford River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 4:45 p.m.
Got something like that
At
again.
3:43 p.m., gusty showers were located along the line
Gusty
extending from
showers.
near Aberdeen, proving ground to 9 nautical miles east of Tidal Basin, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Sudden onset of gale force winds. Source, observed wind gust of 36 knots at Wee Airport.
Bro, I've never heard this before.
A sudden wind shift out of the west to gale force is expected.
What is
Motors
this?
and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Kent Narrows Bridge, North Point State Park, Rock Hall, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Hardmiller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, and Tolchester Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay, issued at 1:09 p.m., Wednesday, November 30th. This afternoon.
Sudden gale force winds. Wind shift. What was that?